Hi, I'm Mason. Hi, I'm Elliot.
And we're your Column South captains.
We are coming to you from Valley Homestead.
First, we have our acknowledgement of country.
We begin by acknowledging the traditional owners of the land on which we meet today at Valley Homestead, the Yayitna Sung people. We pay our respects to elders past, present and emerging.
Please stand for the national anthem. Now here's Liam with a message about the Jelly Bean fundraiser.
Hi everyone, thank you so much for supporting me on my quest to nationals for hockey by having a go at guessing the amount of jelly beans in the jar. We still have lots of guesses available if you would like to participate. It would be on at every recess and lunch for the next week. Don't forget to bring along a gold coin and dress up as your favourite sporting star next Friday, 12th of August. The jelly bean winner will be also announced.
Now it's time for Student of the Week.
Hi, I'm Kata.
And I'm Jed, and we're both in Year 5, and we're going to be rating Students of the Week.
Student of the Week presented to Nathan Kosick of 5FM for being a principled member of our class during our excursion. Fantastic work, Nathan.
Presented to Kai Jakovic for demonstrating commitment and growing as a communicator when explaining his thinking in maths.
Presented to Hamish Isaacs for your terrific effort during our procedural writing unit. Well done.
Presented to Riley Adams for being a caring and inclusive friend. Love seeing you step up as a leader.
Presented to Jordan Myers for his brilliantly open-minded and courageous approach to all our learning tasks this week.
Presented to Dina of 1YB for all her efforts and enthusiasm towards her learning. Keep up the great work, superstar.
Presented to Bridget Gammon of 2C for her awesome inquiring approach and open mind when tackling tasks at Dream City Excursion. What a star.
Presented to Willow Mill of FW for showing determination and commitment towards her reading goals. Well done.
Presented to Eleonora Metherell for applying herself and trying new things on our Dream City Excursion. Thank you for being a positive learner.
Presented to Lenny Thorne for being an excellent participant on our excursion and making an electrical circuit.
Presented to Oliver O'Brien for taking on feedback to improve his writing and working hard towards achieving his goals.
Presented to Mela Wu for fantastic compound sentences with well-chosen connectives. Great job.
Presented to Annika of 1B for showing persistence and an open mind when tackling maths problems. Keep it up, Annika.
Presented to Nate Hudden of Foundation W for being an excellent problem solver when creating his diorama. I'm so proud of you.
Presented to Kennedy of 1M for her beautiful story about adventures in the garden with our wonderful class mascot, Billy the Brown Bear.
Presented to Ebony Matthews for always displaying an open mind and showing care and concern for others.
Presented to James Collison for showing enthusiasm during our museum excursion and contributing his insightful ideas during classroom discussions.
Presented to Bella Pranti of FF for working hard to use your reading strategies while reading new texts. Way to go, Bella.
Presented to Killian of 4J for his superbly written summary of the Crazy Carrot animation that was concise and informative.
Presented to Sam Prater from 5F for being so willing and enthusiastic about showing his knowledge in our class and on our excursion. Ace job.
Presented to Tom Bennett for showing curiosity and open-mindedness when exploring a range of perspectives in inquiry.
Presented to Laura Gurzi Karain from FS for her incredible determination and creativity when making a diorama of the habitat of her fantasy animal. What a superstar. Keep it up, Laura.
Presented to Isla of FM for her amazing planning and creating of her diorama. Now it's time for Artist of the Week. Congratulations Isabel Woodman of 2P for her creative design and collage work to create a sculpture of a slice of pizza. Well done.
Congratulations Ayla Rooney of FM for her fabulous attitude during visual art sessions and her controlled and colourful bird weaving. Amazing work, Ayla.
Congratulations to all of this week's Student of the Weeks.